to restart that. What the heck? What's up, everybody? Happy Thursday if you're watching this on a Thursday. I am so excited. My friend Hannah is on the way and we're gonna be doing shoots today. I have never done an indoor shoot, so I woke up feeling inspired and yeah, so I'll show you guys what we're working with. Okay guys, so I prefer to work with natural light. So I'm sitting in front of a big window right now and I got a couple fun things and my friend Hannah is on the way. She's actually almost here. So let's kind of show you guys what we're working with today and even what we're doing. We're doing a little photo shoot in the house. I bought this giant piece of wood from Home Depot and I painted it this pretty pink color, and then I have a satin material that I found on sale at Hobby Lobby that I think is so pretty. It's like a dusty rose, kind of like satiny cool thing. And then I brought my cute little pink Polaroid camera because the background is pink, this is pink. I thought it would be really cute. A lot of this is inspired by TikTok, so I'm excited to do it. So I found these little guys at Michael's. Basically, they're just like petals. I saw a TikTok where they like put it around her eyes, so I might be doing that. And then I found some butterflies, and so I love the color of these. They're just like different shades of brown. So I'm gonna go with this satiny color and do that together with her. And then I bought some pearls to stick on her face and some different glittery thingies. So I don't really know what we're gonna do with all that. I also put my favorite little rug down for her to sit on so she's not just having to sit on the floor, and of course Mia's watching me film. So I'm really hoping for good results. I'm not sure what to expect, but thank you guys for watching this and I hope it gives you guys some kind of inspiration. I am a videographer for those of y'all that don't know, but I have been getting into photography lately. So I'm really excited to just experiment and see what I can get. Show me what you've got for me.
Ooh, I have
color. I'm so excited.
More color.
With your iced coffee.
And a set.
Oh my gosh. All right, everyone, I got my friend and she looks beautiful.
Shooting.
Yay! I'm so excited. I've already started a little bit and they're turning out beautiful. This lighting is fire.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, guys. Oh my god, I look like a crackhead right
do
now.
not.
Day 2 hair. Oh, your phone matches too, and your nails. We're just pink girls. Don't mind us. Alright guys, update. We're gluing petals to her face in hopes that they turn out beautiful. I think they're gonna be cute. I'm excited. Let's see. See? I think it'll photograph. I feel like if we had real petals, it'd be pretty nice.
Why don't you put like some of these?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I think like up a little bit over your eye, and we can do like super close-ups with your hands.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is way better. All right, update. So I found this fabric and I think it's gonna look so good with her skin tone and your eyes are gonna pop. So we're gonna do some like close-ups with it. I wish I was a little bit bigger, but I think it's gonna be really cute. And we're gonna put some like butterflies in her hair and things like that. We'll see how this turns out.
Stay tuned.
We're sticking butterflies to her body and they look so cute.
Yay. They look so good.
They're actually turning out really pretty. I was worried at first, but now I'm happy with it.
Outfit changes later and that is a wrap.
Woo! All right, make sure you follow me and her on Instagram. Her Instagram is at
Hannah G. McCormick.
Yes, I'll link everything down below. I'll be posting a ton of crap on my media page. Yeah, make sure you follow us, subscribe. I would love that. That would mean a lot to me. And if you guys like kind of behind the scenes of photography stuff, I know we didn't really talk a lot during it, let us know and we can do more because we're always shooting together. So see you guys next time. Have a great Thursday. Bye. much.